everyone. Today we learn how to create thumbnail using Pixel Lab. So you can install this Pixel Lab from the Play Store or in the below description I'll give you the link. So click on Pixel Lab. After opening Pixel Lab it will be like this. So what we want to create? YouTube thumbnail. So on top right corner there are three horizontal dots. Click on that and select image size as YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so the format will be as YouTube thumbnail. Now you can give any kind of background either in these by selecting from this app or from our gallery. So I want to take it from the gallery. So on left corner there is plus symbol on top. Click on that and you can select from gallery. From gallery I want to select this green color. You can crop it. So I want to crop it, or if you don't want, you can no. There is no need to crop. Okay, done. Now you can drag it as you want, and this image will not go beyond the borders. This is the actual format. Next, on this I want to add another picture. So again gallery. From that I want to select Bhagat Singh. Again I want to crop. So we can adjust as we want. Done. Now I want to add text. So below your down there is some symbols. So click on a symbol, then plus sign, and you can edit. So here why we have to edit? Because here is new text. So we should edit. So what how to create thumbnails? How to create thumbnail? Done. Okay. So we can do number of changes for this. Now I want to increase the size. So if you click on a symbol, we'll get all these options, and I want to add size. Okay, done. And we can edit also. So I want the text should be like this. So now I can give color. So I want to give purple. Okay, done. Nice. And we can give stroke. So I want to give stroke. Enable. Done. And you can do whatever you want. You can add any kind of, if you want any kind of font, you can go for font option. If you want to give any style, you can go for style option. So here number of options will be there relating to text, and for images, for everything there will be number of options. So now I want to lock all this, because if I want to insert any picture, it will affect others. So here for example, if you click on this, again it is moving. So if you want to fix as fixed, you should go on three dots. Below that there is symbol. Click on that, and there is a lock, right? Click on lock, so that this will not move. See, nothing is moving. So again I want to add another picture. So again I should go left corner plus symbol. From gallery I want to add smile symbol. Okay, done. I'll adjust according to my wish as the size I want. So this is the best picture. Now I want to insert here. So here the background is white and the actual background is green. So I want the picture background as green. So what can I do now? Beside a symbol there is a symbol, right? Click on that. From that click on erase option, erase color option. So just enable it. Yeah, see, the background is green. So you can keep wherever you want, and you can fix. See how it is. So you can create number of thumbnails, or you can create any kind of thing, whatever. If you want to edit any photos or anything, you can do all kinds of things in Pixel Lab, and it is a very best app. So after doing everything, you just go beside a plus symbol, there is a save symbol. Click on that and save as image. So save to gallery. Done. The image will be saved to our gallery. So this is the process how to create thumbnails. So if you really like the video, please subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you so much.